welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is this month's Glossybox video. This month is a themed box. It is based on sort of like Masquerade, so you can get two types of boxes. I've got the one that's called The Secret. I think there's another one which is a bit, I think the products are the same, but the other one is, I think it's got white details instead. But obviously, if you saw from the thumbnail, you do get like a little Masquerade mask that I've used a little rope, you know, the little string that you get inside the box to fasten it together if you want to. So yeah, this is this month's box. Really love this. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do love the Glossybox boxes. If you've never had a Glossybox before, they do like a theme box every other box. The normal box is just your standard sort of pink box. So let's have a look what's inside. So as always, you get your little leaflet to tell you what the goodies are that you get. Just before we get into all the items from Glossybox, a Glossybox does cost about £13 with delivery. You usually get 5 products, and they're well worth more than what you pay for. So you pay 13 quid and you actually find some really good stuff, and according to the RRP, you actually get more than your money's worth. So I'm going to read out everything that you get from the leaflet here. If you want to pause and view this at all, then do so now. But obviously, yeah, we'll go through everything that we get here. So as always, it comes beautifully presented with the tissue and the ribbon and the little sort of little paper scrunchy things. So the first item that I'm going to talk about is this one, and I've actually got it on at the moment. It's this red lip. I generally don't wear a red lip too much because sometimes I think that it's a little bit too much for me. I'm quite pale skinned, but anyway, I do like this one. This one's by Josephine Cosmetics. It's a full-size product. It should have been £21.80, so immediately, as you can see, you got your money back. But yeah, it actually comes in this lovely box, but the actual packaging as well is really quite nice. I've actually added, it is quite matte, but I've added a little bit of a gloss on the top because I generally don't like matte lipsticks. I love the actual packaging itself. It looks very much premium at all with this sort of like glossy, if I can take my fingerprints off it, sort of glossy sort of packaging, and with the gold sort of emblem and stuff, and you can see the colour at the bottom there, which is a red colour. But yeah, I really like it. Like I said, it should have been £21.80. I've had this on now for well over half an hour, and I know I've put a bit of gloss on the top. It hasn't budged. It's really quite good like that, so really happy with that. Like I say, it is a matte colour, but I personally don't like matte, so I've just added a bit of gloss on the top. So that's the first item. So moving on to the next item is this one. Again, I have used this morning as well on my makeup. This is the St. Luxe setting spray. It kind of comes in that kind of box packaging there. Inside a little plastic bottle with the packaging name on the front as well there. You can see that St. Luxe, and it is just a fixing spray, so I've only used it the one time. I don't know how long it's going to keep my makeup fixed for, but it is a full-size product again, and it should have been £18, so you've got loads for your money. So yeah, I do really like that. It was a nice lightweight mist, I have to agree. Yeah, it was. Yeah, and I'm going to continue using that one in my daily routine. So that was the next one. Right, next up we have this boob tube. So this is Grab Your Melons body lotion. So it's all about looking after the melons, making sure that they're as moisturized as the rest of your skin. So yeah, this one is a special edition. It's a watermelon smelling fragrance, and it is a deluxe mini 50 mils. So this one's worth £1, I think it says, but you can get a full size one for £4, so that's really good. It's obviously with the copper feel as well, just to make sure that we're looking after our bodies, looking at breast cancer awareness, making sure that we're doing all the checks that we should be doing when it comes to sort of breast cancer, and just making sure that we've not got any extra sort of lumps going on anywhere. So yeah, that is a good idea. Obviously you can moisturise, look after the skin as well, but yeah, that one's really good. Like I said, it's a watermelon scented as well, so there you go. So next up we have this one, which is like a spotlight highlighter. Now again, I used this today. I wasn't over the moon with it, to be honest. I thought it would be more of a highlighter, but this one, I mean, I've got it in sort of champagne colour, so I think there is another type that you can possibly get. This has got an RRP of £15. you can illuminate your brow and stuff, but for me I think maybe the colour's not right, because I've got it in this sort of like champagne colour. I don't know whether you can see that, and I find that is it even highlighting that much? Try it on there. I wasn't mad about it, if you know what I mean, but yeah, it's by a company called Spotlight. I probably wouldn't buy this one again. Yeah, it's supposed to sort of brighten your eyes. I did try and put it underneath there, but again, in the corners and stuff, again, I wasn't really over the moon with it. Maybe the other colour would have been better. As I say, I got the champagne colour, so not brilliant for me, but yeah, that was that one. Yeah, so the next item is this sort of S-Spa or E-Spa eucalyptus and tea tree cleansing mist. So it's basically one that you can just pop in your bag and just spray on your hands just to cleanse them. I'm not sure whether it's like a hand gel or anything like that. It doesn't say that. It doesn't say that it's going to like kill any bugs or anything like that, and there's no mention on the packaging about it having alcohol in it, which is obviously really good if you're trying to like kill the COVID bug and stuff. But yeah, it's good if you want to just keep your hands cleansed and fresh in your handbag, and you wanted to take that around with you. So yeah, I mean, you could have it as well as hand gels, because I know hand gels kind of dry the hands out a little bit as well. So you could have this as well. This might keep a bit of moisture in there because it has got some obviously eucalyptus and tea tree, which is good for healing, but it's also got lots of essential oils as well, so it's going to keep the sort of moisture in there as well. So it's good to have it alongside sort of like your hand gels and stuff, just to keep your hands looking nice and feeling nice as well. So yeah, that's everything for this month's Glossybox. I will leave a code below, which you can probably get on the website. Usually you get some money off your first box if you're interested, but I'll leave all the info in the description. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me.